Hello everybody. Today I unbox a vacuum for you to see how does this look like. This is a Hoover vacuum. Windtunnel 2, breed 1 pack, bagless upright. So you don't need to buy a bag like my old vacuum. This is 25 feet cord rewind, automatically retract in second. Okay, let me open the inside for you to see, and let me go to straight to unboxes. So then I'm going over the outside of the box later, in case some of you just want to see the inside. You don't want to go over the outside the box. So let's take a look, a quick look. Yeah. Now let's unbox it. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun. It's just the smell. Probably recycle box. It's the smell. Here the outer manual. That's I don't know. It looks like a shoe, a baby shoe. Just only extra does. Okay. Yeah. Alright, let me take all of them out and then we go over it later. Now, the most important thing here. That's it, no more. Let's move. Just leave it down. Okay. I think this one I'm not sure how does this use. Okay, let me take a look at the booklet. The outer manual. Let's see what it has. Okay, I got this one. I got this. I got this. I think these two. Is that I missed something? You know what? Even though it's mixed some stuff, I'm unable to return because I bought it almost 6 months. I haven't opened it yet because I got the roaches last night, so I have to you know, unbox all I have, all the stuff I have, and then throw away the box because these box kind of smell, make my house smell too. And I got some groceries last night. Run around to snap it. So that's why I have to unbox now. But you know what? If I miss something, I don't think I can return it because the store they allow you 90 days, I think. Some store allow you 90 days, some is 30 days to return. So if you buy the stuff, new stuff, unbox right away and throw out the carton box, because if you keep in your house, you might be guess that your house kind of smell. Plus you possible got roaches later because I think the box in this somehow. But my advice, when you buy the stuff, new stuff, go home, unbox, throw away the box right away. Otherwise you get a mess like I have right now. I have to clean up those stuff. Okay, let me see. Okay, I got this. I got this. And I got this. I don't know. I don't remember this one. Anyway, let me wrap all of them so you see. let me stop right here. Let me figure out how to install it, then I'll be back. See you part 2.